good. Really nice power delivery if you can keep it in the road range.
Yeah. Flipping hell, yeah, that's mental, isn't it? Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today for yet another car feature in the form of this. This is a MK8 Golf GTI. Of course, we've seen plenty of these on the channel. This is, I believe, one of the first non-Club Sport Stage 3 cars in the UK, running a hybrid turbo, running just shy of 500 horsepower, 480 to be exact. And this is a bit of a track-focused car. Still in build at the moment. There's still tons that the owner Ryan wants to do to the car, but of course we are joined with him today, so we will catch up with him very shortly. We'll go through basically what he's done to it, and then in usual fashion, we'll go out for a spin. Okay, we're joined now with Ryan, the owner of this awesome MK8 GTI. Mate, thank you so much for bringing this down today. We've done this quite last minute because you're literally going to the Nürburgring straight after we finish filming this.
Yeah, literally, as soon as we finish here, I'm going straight down, getting on the train, and literally going to try get a day in tomorrow before season closes. Yeah, because we're right at the end of the season. It's probably going to be over by the time that this video goes up, but yeah, very cool to see that. And as I said in the intro, it's a track-orientated car, really, isn't it? It's what it's built for. Yeah, I got it. Been Nürburgring 6-7 times this year, got the bug.
Wow.
So yeah, bought this and essentially built it with that in mind, basically.
Yeah, no, fair play. And obviously, seeing as we have the bonnet open, we will dive straight on in under here. As I said, 480 brake, which is, well, a stage 3 powered car. Hybrid turbo, what turbo is it?
Yeah, so we got a Litco L508R hybrid turbo. So there's a bit of fiddling around with that they don't fit perfectly on the standard GTIs. Okay. So we've ended up having to change all the diverter valves and everything.
Oh, wow.
It's got racing line oil cooler, AirTech DSG cooler, AirTech big front mount intercooler, and then various other little bits. But where it's kind of been a bit of a learning curve and a bit of an ongoing process, we've ended up having to change front bumper. So it's the only blue Club Sport bumper. They don't do this colour in Club Sport. So yeah, it makes it a bit more unique in that respect, but there's a lot more presence with it. And then just some general mods just to try and kind of aesthetically look it a little bit better. So we've gone Forge engine cover, and we've gone Forge big carbon intake. Depending on how I feel, I mix it up. So the guy who helped me with the car, I also run his intake. He's got a Sprogly STX, and that was actually a little bit better on the dyno, but as he don't really care, but they're not as pretty as these. Yeah, so fair enough. Where it's on YouTube, I thought I'd put the pretty one on.
I mean, yeah, decent power, isn't it?
Yeah.
Standard engine.
Yeah, for a standard block, they're good up to about 550.
Yeah.
Still, obviously, a lot in development. There's not been many stage 3 GTIs. They're all Club Sports or Rs.
Yeah, true.
But I think the one thing we suffer with is a little bit of lag.
Okay.
Which you'll probably go on to see. So it's going back in 2 weeks back to AMC. They also done the tune on the car, and we're going for aluminium inlet manifold, and we're going MEF.
Nice.
And we're also going to be putting on our injectors. So that should bring it up to about 540, 530 in that remit, and it should just help with the lag. Yeah. And the gearbox has been done by TVS.
Okay, yep, nice.
So
nice,
TVS tune on the gearbox as well.
Cool, yeah, good choice. And obviously these Gen 4 engines, they're actually, well, a lot better than the Gen 3, I suppose. I know they've got OPFs, obviously, but
yeah, but that's had a full...
Don't really need a catch can.
No, you don't. You don't know, and it comes with metal sumps. Yeah, I mean, they're pretty much good enough. I think if you were in a Mark 7 or a 7.5, you'd have probably gone billet sump, but it's okay for the moment. It's still got a cat in it, so it's got a Miltech HDS 200 cat to pass the MOT, but that's not going to pass next year. And just Miltech back exhaust. It was straight through. Yeah, I took it straight through, and so it was just race pipes all the way through. Yeah, and it was ridiculous. Like the drone was outrageous. So I put the back box back in.
Fair enough. Moving around though, wheels and brakes. What is it that we're running?
Yeah, so unlike most people, as much has been spent on the handling of it. So we've got AP Radical 390 6mm brake, 6-pot brake kit, 034 top mounts.
Okay.
Really good modification. Just give it a bit that extra caster and a bit of negative toe. And then KW V3s.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
So V3's there, still standard brakes on the back, just upgraded pads and discs, but all the weight's on the front, so you don't need it.
Course,
and then just a few aesthetic changes just to try and kind of help make the car pop a little bit.
Yeah. Obviously TCR vent again on the
TCR vent on that. That was cut by yours truly.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to respray the bonnet because there's glue all over it, but we won't go too close.
I won't zoom into that.
We won't go too close on it. And then there's still plans of it. I mean, it's like an itch. You get it to a certain point and then you want to go again.
Yeah.
I mean, the car's only been 480 for 2 weeks and it's already booked in to go to the next level.
More.
So
yeah, no, fair play.
The bank balance has just been taking an absolute pounding. But yeah,
fair play. And there are some very exciting plans which we're not going to go into.
Yeah, there are. Yeah,
I think we need to get it back on the channel.
It's going to be never ending. But
done.
Yeah, it'll be never ending.
But yeah, if that's pretty much everything, then I think we'll hop in.
Yeah,
and
definitely. Let's go. Yeah, let's have a go.
It's loud. It's been a while since I've been out in one of these.
Yeah, I tell you what, it's just the way it puts it down and just like the way the car goes around. It's a bit spinny, but
well, it's to be expected, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's like if you're.
It doesn't hang around though.
No. It's just like so dialed in, like the corner weight on it.
Yeah. Brakes are good as well.
Yeah, brakes are unbelievable. Brakes were probably single-handedly the best modification.
Yeah, well, they're so important, isn't it?
Especially Ram Ring, yeah.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Just spin. You wouldn't think I've got PS4S's on it.
No, yeah, valid point, yeah. So interior-wise, pretty much standard, isn't it?
Not much. There is plans for the interior.
Yeah.
So Misha's obviously driving the car on Sunday.
Yeah.
And Craig was like, I want to come. I've got a Stern Performance rear seat delete.
Nice, yeah.
So normally I'll take the bench out, put the full seat delete kit in.
Yeah.
But I just thought, you know what, it's not really going to change much, so I'll just leave the bench in. But then, next year, cage.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a bit yobbish. My missus will not get in the car. She is, but that's fine because it's like that enables me to go put cage in it, do all that. If she don't want to get into it, that's absolutely fine.
Yeah, no,
gets parked up Monday to Friday.
Yeah.
And then I'll come out and just hit the B roads.
Yeah. But to be honest, the lag doesn't seem that bad.
In the shorter gears, when you get into the higher gear ratios, the ratios are much longer.
Right.
So that's when you start to experience the lag.
Yeah, I see. Yeah,
it's not pulling it through quick enough.
Yeah.
But the turbo's only running at 1.9 bar.
Okay.
These turbos can go 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 pretty evenly, but all the timings are different. So
right. Yeah.
That's why I put the MEF kit in, put the inlet, aluminium inlet manifold in, and that will also just help spool up quicker. And 530, 540, that'll be enough for track, and then I'll think, I'll get something else, and then I'll just make this massive mental power and just front wheel drive demon.
Yeah, true. Yeah, well, that's the thing. But I can't like the fact that it does spin.
It does. I mean, I was in the other day in third spinning and with traction off, and it was still like spinning in third. But
it kind of claws its way down the road, doesn't it? Like, yes, you're spinning, but... handles the road really well.
It's glued, sway bar, drop links.
She flies.
Yeah, it's good. Really nice power delivery if you can keep it in the road range.
Yeah. Tight corner here.
Honestly, it's the most fun you'll ever have.
Shifts are lightning fast.
rotates so well.
That's mental.
Yeah, really
I've now got a free drink.
Yeah.
She's a beaut.
Yeah, no, I'm really happy with it. Like, not to know how to expect, but it's just loads of question asking, feedback from other people who have done different things, getting advice from the right people.
Yeah, no, that's it. But yeah, thank you so much for doing a little detour on the way to the ring.
Yeah, no, you're welcome.
To get it on the channel. And of course, if you guys want to learn more about the build, then I will leave the Instagram link down in the description down below to Ryan's page. For me today, that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe for all the adventures in Delta Cup.